In this quick tutorial I will show you how to delete the YouTube search history. So for this we have to open the YouTube application, alright, and once inside it you'll have to press on your profile icon from the bottom right hand corner, and now you'll find the gear icon. Let's press on this gear icon, you'll find it usually in the top right hand corner, and now once this menu will pop up you'll have to locate manage all history. Let's press on it, and with this page that just pop up, here you can locate your whole YouTube history. As an example, search results, the videos you watch, the things you search in the search bar. As an example, right here you can see that I searched for Mr. Beast, and by pressing on the X you will delete that specific search history. And let's scroll down, you'll see here the videos that you watch, and here I search for another thing, white noise. If you press again on that X you will delete that search result. Alright, but what to do if you have multiple days or even weeks or months? Well, it will be a problem if you want to take them individually. So for this you'll have to press on the delete button from here, and this time frame will pop up. Now if you want to delete the whole YouTube watch history, you'll have to press on delete all time, and once again press on delete, and by doing so you will delete your whole YouTube history altogether from day one.